So here we have this therapeutic wooden sensory board. It's labeled that it's for seniors, but I also believe you can use this for your children. My 2-year-old, we have this that moves. Oh, and it makes sounds. We have this that goes up and down. Fidget spinner, that's my son's favorite. We have these beads here. We have this lock, which these are great for helping adults and those people who need extra support around these things. Zippers, light switch. I'll get the keys off in a second here. My nails are a little too long. But practicing all of these things. But kids will have fun with these as well. Adults. And it stands up. There you go. Great gift for somebody who's needs some occupational therapy. Nephew is going to be obsessed with this as well. Let me show you what's inside the box. So this also could be great for kids, toddlers, seniors, anybody. It was designed by occupational therapists, which is amazing, and tells you, that it was well and thoughtfully designed. So in the package here, move all that stuff out of the way. We have, comes in this nice bubble wrapped box. Oh my gosh, yeah, actually, even my older kids are gonna love this. So there's a key right here. Okay, so we have all sorts of features here.